Hi, I'm Gabrielle. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon toast poppers from the book Silly Snacks. Before we get started making our cinnamon toast poppers, we are going to want to wash our hands with soap. This is a very simple recipe. All you need is bread. I suggest only using 3 slices. Sugar, butter, and cinnamon. You don't have to use ground cinnamon. That's just what I have right now. First, you need to preheat the oven. 325 degrees. There we go. Before you do this next step, you will want to have adult supervision. Now you're going to take a large skillet, which is a large pan, and you're going to put up 2 tablespoons of butter in it. Put it on the stove at low heat. Next thing you want to do is you're going to cut the bread into small cubes like I've done here. Then you're going to add it to your melting butter. And then stir it all up. Take a spatula and stir. Now that we've coated our bread with butter, you will take your cinnamon and sugar and mix them in a bowl off to the side. For the sugar, you will need 1 tablespoon of sugar, a half teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then for cinnamon, you need a half a teaspoon. Now you need to sprinkle your cinnamon and sugar onto your bread. Now you gotta mix it together. Now we need to take all of everything that's mixed together and put it on a non-greased 1-layered baking sheet. Now that our oven is heated to 325 degrees, we can put our cinnamon toast poppers into the oven. After 25 minutes, have an adult help you remove it from the oven, and voila, there are your pretty and yummy cinnamon toast poppers. Yummy!